So example 4 is an extension. It's an extension of the solving of inequality. They will ask something further. So for example, if you look at this inequality, 1/5 x greater than -4. Your job is to get the smallest integer value. So integer will be whole number. So you do the solving as usual. So in this case, I'm multiplying by 5 on both sides. Okay, if I multiply by 5, I'll get 1x and I'll get -20. So how are you going to get the smallest whole number? So do the same thing like what you have done. Draw out the number line. Make sure you got the surrounding number. So make sure you got the surrounding number and draw your number line. You want it to be more than -20. So it should be on the right side. So you look at the right side. You look at this part. Do you realize that it passes through this whole number? So this will be the first whole number that it passes through. So the smallest integer of x is -19. If you don't draw number line with the surrounding number, you will not get -19. If you just do it mentally, most people will give me a -21. They will instinctively think of the answer as -21. But if you look at the number line, you want the integer that is bigger than -20. So it should be on the right side of -20. So they can ask for integer. They can also ask for prime number. So in part B, we wanted the biggest prime number. So you do it as usual. Solve your inequality. So solve like how you have been doing. And draw your number line like how you have been doing. So draw your number line. In this question, I'm going to draw a little bit more on the left because I'm interested in the number that is smaller than 13. So if you look at all these numbers that's smaller than 13, which is the prime number? So along this line, this is the biggest prime number. I can have more prime number, smaller than 10, smaller, I can get like 7, 5, all that. But we want the biggest one. So in this question, the largest prime number of x is 11. Typically, the answer can be found on your number line. If your number line don't go wrong, the answer will be found in the number line. So in the next one is the largest rational number. So same thing, a lot of people will be like, what is rational number? I totally forgot. So rational number are just fraction. Integer over integer. So do the same procedure, do the same solving. Your solving should be getting 1x. So I should divide by 2/3. So 2/3 is a positive number. So I shouldn't be changing the sign. So I'll get 1 and 1/3. So again, you draw the number line. So right now you got fraction. So how are you going to draw the number line? You can draw it in this way. So 1 and 1/4, 1/3 is here. So you would like it to be greater or equal. Okay, so in this case, where is the biggest fraction along this line? This is the, sorry, I think I typed wrongly. This part should be the smallest. So where is the smallest fraction? So the smallest fraction on this line should be this. Okay, because there's a black dot there, this fraction is included. So the smallest rational x. One and one third. If 1 and 1/3 is a fraction, it can be changed to integer over integer. So that is the smallest rational number. So the answer will always be found on the number line, unless your number line go wrong. So it should be pretty easy. Okay, so if you do the foundation correctly, you can answer a variety of such questions.